Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a long band lateral raise. To start, all you're going to need is a long resistance band. You're going to stand up nice and tall and put one of your feet on top of the resistance band. Now your feet can be at hips distance apart with your toes pointing straight. I'll actually face this way. You're going to grab the top of the resistance band with your opposite arm and then let your arm hang low. Pull your shoulder blade back and have a soft bend in your elbow. Next, you're going to squeeze your core tight, keeping your back straight and your chest up. You're going to lift that wrist all the way up till it's parallel to your shoulder. Then you're going to bring it right back down. If you'd like to increase resistance, or if your band is a little bit too long, feel free to wrap the band around your hand. And that is a long band lateral raise.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys.